Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer mutual funds to E-Trade from another broker step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your information. Log in to your existing brokerage account. Locate the section for mutual fund transfers. Check for any specific requirements or forms needed. Ensure your current mutual funds are eligible for transfer. Contact your current broker if you have questions. Next, open the E-Trade website. Log into your E-Trade account. If you don't have an account yet, create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers section. Select the option for transferring mutual funds. Follow the prompts to initiate the transfer process. You may need to provide details about the mutual funds. Input the account information from your previous broker. Review the transfer request for accuracy. Submit your transfer request. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation. Wait for E-Trade to process your request. Transfers can take several days to complete. Check your E-Trade account periodically for updates. Once the transfer is complete, review your mutual funds. Confirm that everything has transferred correctly. Consider consulting E-Trade support if you encounter issues. You're now ready to manage your mutual funds on E-Trade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.